Sicon Approvals is aimed at businesses wanting to devolve the responsibility of data entry to their end users, whilst using the approvals process to regulate the outcome. Available to purchase on a modular basis, this solution provides the ability to process business documents including requisitions, invoices, expenses, timesheets, holidays, sales orders, and HR. This approach allows companies to implement the elements they need initially with the ability to add additional modules as and when required. In an era where there is an ever-increasing demand for remote, flexible working, this web-based solution wraps around Sage 200 to provide the ease of access end users require with the necessary tools businesses need to maintain control. The available app, iOS and Android, provides scaled-down functionality to further extend usability, making Sicon Approvals functionality available on the go. Key features: remote access. Installed in the same environment as Sage 200 with the ability to access anywhere with an internet connection and appropriate browser, IT configuration dependent. Secure login. User login security restricts access to system functions with the added ability for user accounts to be configured to use Windows password security. Integration. Seamless integration with Sage 200, where appropriate, reduces the need for duplicate data entry. Sicon Approvals also integrates with other Sicon solutions for added functionality. Key benefits: scalable from 1 to over 3,500 users. Runs across multiple Sage companies with users given access only to the relevant companies. All authorizations are carried out in one system for multiple companies. Full approval audit trail available to view on every document type. CSV imports for users and approval routes. Approval routes by nominal code, supplier, project, requesting user and value. Options may differ across modules. Integrated email notifications to push reminders to users and approvers. Full access to system admin tools provides complete autonomy to add new users, approval routes, etc. Multi-module platform provides a single system to users for a variety of business requirements such as timesheets, holidays, expenses and HR. Option to use Sage nominal and/or Sicon project budgets to provide visibility of what has been spent and what remains based on live transactions. Sicon Approvals can integrate with Sicon documents to view and archive documents related to authorization transactions. Sicon Approvals is available to purchase as individual modules, meaning the solution can be tailored based upon business requirements. Requisitions. Raise purchase requisitions with purchase orders automatically created into Sage 200 purchase order processing once approved. Invoices. Automatically picks up Sage 200 unauthorized invoices along with document images from Sicon documents. Expenses. Enter personal and/or business expenses linked to pre-configured expense items with predefined nominal codes. Once approved, a purchase invoice is created against the relevant account within Sage 200, ready for payment. Timesheets. Enter and approve timesheet information with options to link to work patterns, costs, charges and pay rates. Integration with Sicon projects provides optimum functionality, giving users the ability to record time against projects with that information immediately displayed as a commitment, moving to an actual upon approval. Holidays. Raise holiday requests based on annual entitlements, conflicting user checks, mandatory holidays, shutdowns and departmental rules. When used alongside Sicon Approvals Timesheets module, once approved a holiday entry will automatically be created. Sales orders. Raise sales orders and quotes with these posting automatically to Sage 200, which can be sent via an approval route based on a minimum margin. HR. A simple system for storage of key employee information and company documents. This is just a sample of the functionality that's available. For more information, please refer to our website www.sicon.co.uk.